What's up, everybody? This is me, Yawar Manzoor, and I believe everybody of you is doing great, nice, and absolutely fine, okay? And in this video, I'll be talking about some of the beautiful things that you will probably love, okay? I'll tell you after some time. So this is me, Yawar Manzoor, and this is the piece of information about me. You can definitely read it out. And I welcome you to J English on Academy. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe it right now, okay? And press that bell notification. And apart from this YouTube platform, we have our own Unacademy's platform. Over there, you can take this subscription, plus subscription, Iconic subscription. These are the benefits you get in plus. And in Iconic, you will get all of these benefits, okay? Fine. Now, people were saying that, sir, there are no batches in English on Unacademy. So we have recently launched these batches with some of the top educators from different states. You can definitely enroll in this batch in order to boost your rank. This is for the JEE Mains and Advanced 2023 people. So definitely enroll in this one. And this is the another batch. That's what we call the Shine batch for 2022 people. You can definitely enroll in this one also in order to boost your rank. Now, what is that? Now, let me just tell you, we know that if a displacement is changing with time, we call that velocity. Understand, rate of change of a displacement with time is nothing but a velocity. With what rate displacement is changing, that is velocity. Fine. So we got this rate of change. Afterwards, if we differentiate this velocity, what we get? Acceleration. Rate of change of velocity with time is nothing but acceleration. So till here we know. Let me just tell you what is something else that is coming up. That is, now, if we have this displacement, if we differentiate it, we get velocity. Afterwards, if we differentiate this velocity, we get acceleration. Afterwards, if we differentiate this acceleration, we get this jerk. This is what we call the jerk. Understand? Jerk is nothing but rate of change of acceleration with time. This is also the rate of change. That's why every single time I keep telling you this rate of change is a golden concept. Everywhere there is rate of change. Force is also the rate of change. Now, if you further differentiate this jerk, you will get what? That's what we call the snap. A rate of change of jerk with respect to time is nothing but snap. Now, rate of change of this snap, if you differentiate this snap, don't confuse yourself with this one. This is displacement and this is snap. Rate of change of this snap with time is nothing but crackle. Afterwards, if you differentiate this crackle, dc by dt, rate of change of this crackle is nothing but pop. So this is what we call a chain of rate of changes. Understand? This is a chain of rate of changes. You will definitely, this is a golden piece of information for sure, okay? Now, what is this jerk? If we call this jerk is nothing but, we can basically say it nothing that is third derivative of position. Understand? That means if we differentiate this displacement, we get velocity. If we redifferentiate it, again we differentiate it, we get acceleration. If we again differentiate it, we thrice differentiate it, we get what? That's jerk. That's why I told you this is nothing but third derivative of position. This jerk is nothing but third derivative of position. Now, if we talk about this snap is nothing but fourth derivative of this position. Why? Because if you take this displacement, if you differentiate it, you will get velocity. If you differentiate it, you will get acceleration. If you again differentiate it 4 times, if you differentiate it, you will get nothing but snap. That's why fourth derivative of position. This is fifth derivative of position. If you keep on differentiating this for 5 times, you will get what? That's what we call the crackle. Same is the case over here. This pop is nothing but sixth derivative of position. I hope you like this one. This is a piece of gold. This is a piece of information that you need to basically keep in your pocket for sure. And if you take this plus subscription on Unacademy, you can take it for 12 months, 18 months, and 24 months, for 3 months as well. The EMI options are available as well. You can pay for like every month. And these are the prices mentioned over here. By using my code, you can definitely get the maximum possible discount. Same goes for the Iconic as well. And thank you so much. I hope you like this video, like this one, share this one. Thank you.